Let us meditate like a Jedi. The great confusion surrounding mindfulness meditation can be clarified when viewed through the metaphoric lens of neuroscience. If you think of mindfulness, whoops, did I push the wrong button over here? It looks like I did. Okay, so mindfulness is simply vulnerably, passively, viscerally, randomly, and fleetingly watching mind's antics. Whatever mind does, whether mind perceives, emotes, intends, or reasons, recalls, or imagines. Meditation is simply relaxing into the aspect of mind that could fleetingly feel non-graspable. That's it. The easiest way to do this is to passively cooperate with our autonomic nervous system. The easiest way to do that is twofold. Every time we feel our lungs swell with breath, we could silently and mentally recite the verb watch. Every time we feel our lungs subtly sink as gently we exhale, we could silently and mentally recite the verb rest.